Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing with you a luxury new in haul, and this one is particularly exciting to me because I've had a few of these items on my wish list for the longest time, but every time I've tried to buy them they've been sold out and I've been pipped to the post, but I finally managed to track them down. So I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I got. I have two bags here. One is a direct replacement for one that I'm selling. I have a dress and then I also have two accessories as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. This video is kindly being part sponsored by Farfetch. I have partnered with Farfetch before, but if you're not familiar with them and you missed that video, Farfetch are basically an online luxury platform that allows individual boutiques to sell their items online. And because you're shopping from boutiques all around the world, the stock selection is so incredibly vast, which is how I was able to track down some of these very hard to find items. I do have a discount code with them as well, so you can get 10% off with my discount code that I will pop on the screen. There are some T's and C's, so I will put all the details in the description section, as well as the links to all of these items if you did want to check them out. So first up is a dress that I got from Farfetch, and I have wiped down all of these boxes in case you're wondering. I'm very strict about wiping everything down, but this one I believe came from a boutique in the UK, and it does have a little dust bag. It's actually just a dress, but it still came in its own dust bag. And inside I have the invoice, and what I love is sometimes you even get these little stickers as well. So I have this Farfetch sticker, I also have a little heart with a Union Jack in it, just really cute. And then inside, this one was sold out. I've been trying to get hold of this dress for a really long time, and then I spotted it on Farfetch and I was so excited. So it is from Reformation. How beautiful is that? I first saw this on the Reformation website. They were styling it with a Bottega Veneta bag, which I ended up getting, which was the padded cassette. That is initially what kind of caught my eye. I fell in love with the overall look. I got the bag and I wanted to get the dress, but they were completely sold out. And then I spotted it on Farfetch and I was just over the moon because I think this is so beautiful. I'm totally stealing the styling of the Reformation website. I just think it's so cute, especially with the padded cassette. It is a strappy one, so it's just a very small kind of sundress. You have this little tie right here, this beautiful ruching as well, so it does have a little bit of stretch in the body, and then it just kind of flares out. It is fully lined as well, and you have this just stunning print and pattern all over. It is kind of like an off-white and this lovely violet flower pattern all over. How pretty is that? The straps are adjustable as well, which I always love to get a really good fit. And I'm always such a fan of Reformation, but in particular I thought this print was just ridiculously beautiful, and I was so happy I was finally able to get it. Next up are a couple of accessories, and I did mention I bought these in a video from a couple of weeks ago, and they arrived and I could not be happier with them. They are both from Anya Hindmarch, who I've spoken about a little bit before, not too much I guess, but I've been a fan of hers for many years, like 10 years plus. Her items are always so beautiful and whimsical, but very good quality, and I just love her designs. And this one isn't that practical now because not many people are flying, but it's one of their takeoff bags which is designed for travel, and I've wanted this for so long and I never really pulled the trigger, but then I saw it in this beautiful color. I managed to get it with a bit of a discount and I just thought it was stunning. So it does have takeoff printed right there, and then on the other side it says touchdown, so it's very cute. You have these beautiful little tassel zips, and then it just opens up like so. Ooh. So what fell out was a little care card, and then also a little dust bag that you get, and I love the stripes on the dust bag. I think it's so cute. And then just gonna remove the last bit of tissue paper. So it is completely clear, as you can see, but you do have different compartments. So the takeoff, you have the widest section, and then when you flip it upside down, you have a smaller section for touchdown. I thought this was so cute. It's a decent size as well, and it's just the perfect thing to take with you if you do have very specific products like me that you use on a plane. I'm always really big on hydration. I like to take my makeup off, especially if it's a long haul flight. Less so for a short haul flight, but if it's a long haul, I will always make sure to take my makeup off. I layer on moisturizer. Sometimes I even do a face mask. I'm totally one of those people, and I always just love to have all of my products just in one place. I usually just use a Ziploc bag, so this is great. I'm so excited about it. You have the beautiful little Anya Hindmarch stamp right there. and I just think this is so lovely. So very happy I was finally able to get this. My other accessory is also from Anya Hindmarch, and this one is actually a newer design from them. They've been doing the takeoff touchdown pouches for many years now, but this one I think is new this season, and as soon as I saw it I just loved the look of it. This one does come in silver as well, and I was looking at that, but I ended up going for the black one. It just says safe deposit right there, and then it is a clear pouch. It just opens up with a zip. It's a very smooth zip as well, and then on the inside you have a section for cards, and it actually says cards. She's kind of known for her stamping, so I have a little pouch from her. It says girly stuff. She always does really quirky kind of fun labels and names. And then you have Anya Hindmarch stamping right there. You have a little section for earphones where it's labeled earphones, and then you have another zip right here as well, and then it's just lined in nylon. A really cute piece. I think when I read the description they said that it was suitable for pool use. To be honest, I would never use this around the pool. I think it's way too nice and I would just get scared that it would get ruined, but I thought this was a really nice one to use in a work bag or when traveling. Just a really cute piece, and I just love all designs from Anya Hindmarch. I think her pieces are just so stunning. And now for one of the bags I bought. This one is also from Anya Hindmarch. I told you guys I've been on a complete kick, and I have been searching for this bag for quite a while. I saw it on a different website. It was completely sold out. I added it to my wish list hoping it would come back in stock, and it didn't. And then I saw it on Farfetch and I was very happy. This is another one where I'm just kind of optimistically looking to the future. I think I'm mostly going to use this for travel when we can start traveling freely again. But it's this wonderful bag right here. This one is a huge one, which is why I'm thinking it's more for travel. You could use it for work maybe, or if you have a baby, I think this would make an amazing baby bag. It's extremely light, but it's also made of this great nylon as well, so I think it'll be very durable. And you have that little Anya Hindmarch logo right there. Their logo is just a little bow, and I think it's the most beautiful thing. And there are a ton of compartments all over. So right here you have a pouch for water. You have a little key section which is labeled keys. You have a zip right here labeled important things, a section for coins as well, and this one goes down a fair way, definitely deep enough for any coins you might have. And this little section right here is called bits and bobs, and then this extends all the way in, so this one is very deep. And this one finally says sunglasses right here, so it is all completely compartmentalized, and then of course you have the actual main area too. And this is filled with tissue paper, so I'm going to take it all out. And look at all that space. This is an enormous bag, but it is light as a feather, which is what I love about it. You have the Anya Hindmarch stamp there, and then you have an area for your phone. And of course, in true Anya Hindmarch fashion, it's also labeled phone. I thought this was so cool and so different. You have another pocket on the other side, which I've just noticed. I didn't even know they had that. This one doesn't have a label, but it just goes all the way down, so it's very deep. And I thought this was the coolest bag, so different. And what I love about her designs is that she really kind of combines the functional elements with just a sense of humor and great quality as well. And for me, if you tick all those boxes, it's just always a win. I thought this was so stunning, and I was so happy I was finally able to find it. And finally, I have my very last bag here, which I also got from Farfetch. This was another one where I went to buy it and then it was just completely sold out. I'm guessing supply issues aren't running as steady as they usually are, so I couldn't find it many places, and then I finally saw it on Farfetch and I was very happy. This is the direct replacement that I was talking about earlier, so I do already own this bag in another combination. If you watch my handbag declutter video, you may know what this is. It just comes in the Saint Laurent box. I always love it when they come with the original designer box. It doesn't always happen, but it did this time. And on the inside, so you have the little label from the individual boutique, and then you have the dust bag. You might be able to tell from the size what it is. And then it is a toy Loulou. I have been wanting a leather one for a while, and I think it was in my bag declutter where I mentioned that I was parting ways with my velvet one. I love the toy Loulou style so much, but velvet just meant that I wasn't getting enough use out of it. I've been lusting after the leather version for a really long time. I wanted the nude one particularly, especially because my larger Loulou didn't really work out, so I love that colour so much, and I knew I wanted to get that colour in the mini toy Loulou size. And then I finally saw it on Farfetch. Very happy. It has the silver hardware. This is such a beautiful bag, and it's completely packed full, so I'm gonna take out all the tissue paper. And then you do have the chain, which is completely wrapped up as well, not the chain, the strap even, because it is a leather one. And this is what it looks like on the inside, so exactly the same as my other one if you're familiar with that, but you have a compartment right there at the front, you have a few card slots as well, you have a middle section, and then you have a zip pocket as well. Just going to attach the strap. And there it is in all its glory. I am so excited about this. I think the color combo is beautiful, and I'm just incredibly happy to finally have this in a combination and material that I think I'm going to use a lot more. The velvet one was beautiful, but it is quite seasonal, and I just want to be able to wear this bag all year round. I think it's such a great little style. If you've not tried the toy Loulou and you're looking for a mini bag, I do recommend it. I think it's just so adorable and cute, and just everything I kind of like in a mini bag, and I'm just over the moon that I finally was able to get it in leather in this beautiful shade. Just the most stunning bag. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I will include links to everything I featured down below in the description section, as well as all the details for that discount code. If you have any other questions for me, then leave me a comment and let me know what's currently on your wish list. I'd love to hear about it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.